kono eti ye dan ne ekọ blame ba akofo ese wono ninti eye nioma bi ayeye ene de ekọ gina ba bi aye gina aye no he de bia meka se NDC fo omo nioma omo ye mo omo ho ye akono ye den esene ye mamenka ba ako NDC me ba cho okay cocoa pricing issues
yes
yeah
some say Kufuado ma ba mu
okay nanado danko Kufuado ye ba power for front na cocoa price in and 460,000 450 cedis
yes
as at 2024 obekaya na cocoa price abegina 3,100 nebin sida enti yati hoy franco we cocoa farmer Kufuado adaroma utwa 10 bags of cocoa unya 31,000 NDC for no muka money ye do 310 million me ne John Mahama me sisa moto abane mamea President Kufuado osisi mu akuafo no me the cocoa price beko 60 million which is 6,000 Ghana cedis
double of this same thing no
Sabio Franco Tiwe ebi anka sympathize with NPP Kufuado ayade obefa cocoa bon baby obefa ye no baby odi abedri utwa 10 bags unya 310 million which is 31,000 na John Mahama so obema o bag 600 million 10 bags krona masa wo ye nipa etu betena ho abaye ho NPP abra wo den adru lentil untimi mo so Mahama se bag yi obema ba ko bia 6,000 there afi yensa yensa 12 months into NDC's administration they say cocoa bag no edru 6,000 they etienie cocoa kuani bia wogina NDC atrosem ne adefedefesem so eto aba etia NPP no se ne ena wahunu nukure na nke yase ye koto aba na decision no taking in last year no ko on take bio
it's true
it one more cancer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ye problem ye de ne ko bi wa ye be lose no should know say ensem bi ne sisi ya ye ntimi handle ni ye enne ye kuafo ye hunu nukure wo mu no de wogina Mahama defesem so President Mahama His Excellency asem na making defesem so eto aba etia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bia no given the same opportunity today dodo na besesa wo ma dwe me pa cho se wo kai eye I can say 24-hour economy. Asam de na do
38.
Na asam na de
cut 38.
133.
Labor and 8 hours bia nipa kwa ye.
John Mahama, President Mahama. Sabi ati we rakame. Me President Mahama. Wo oba awie university uguso eto ubotomu maniska. Uncle, we are engineer also municipal assembly. John Mahama me ma ba be ka kire mo say abanya wote so no wo mfa nwuma. Unemployment rate in 14%.
14%.
Ya maburu ne nam banchire. Eti se me ba adwuma na wonko a we ye ebo 5 anu wato opunu mu diki ni kofie no. Me di nipa me ensa na e ba be. Yes. Oto ne din 133.
133.
Keti nso ne ba awie university ana polytechnic ana whichever tertiary institution. Ono ane gusu tu ni botum ema presladoma sika. Keti nso sympathize with the MPP. Enti otimi aba sympathize with the MPP ama presladoma debi ato ni botum amaniska. Mahama se adwuma nipa ba ko ye no wode nipa miensa na ebe ye de a. Ene afi ye besesa yensa. Ahwe de besi because emma se adwuma nipa ba ko ye no. Ye de nipa miensa ebe ye ne ba ne nya den. Enya bi nye. Ya sesa yensa. NPP for abetina fi me pa 24-hour economy na kosi sen they say nwuma na bu ana de san wo mu kra esan yin se de wono nso obebra wuo no so mpafenam wo ba ye no omo a abandada na wo bo no so bo se wo na wo se wo mfa nwuma no omo a wafa wo mu kra no wasan abepam wo so mo nkotina fi na sabio sanka wa ba na abandada na fa bia enya fa na wo be fa bia ka ho ya pamu obi ema mu kwetena fi de make akosi ni obi a wogina NDC adefesem so fa nwuma ho atrosem ho efa nwuma ho ede to abeti a NPP ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no se enne na ye kwoto abana me pa cho ye sure say decision taken in last year no obeteki bio obesesa nensa And that should tell us NPP for and it that's what Obi Beka say your early days yet. Na groba so a ifranopa. Okay, almost say adwuma no so no wa be ye adwuma anajo. We ye welder na ye adwuma anajo. We ye light bill.
Tariffs na better so.
Special meter bi.
E dey na asi. Meter no wen ye no omo ye adwuma na anajo no. E dey na asi.
Early days yet.
Yes, we filling station now we nye 24 hours. Now my filling station ni wo ho no ye be ma police for be bo ho ban. Me pa jo kai sansem. E ti police for no ma fa sen akoti sen. We nyina ya trosem. Yentimi and defend ye hu ye. Yentimi amankrofo ehunu say ya nom de. Ukọ 2008 manifesto na kwa mo ka say de bia na make reference to. Sansem o mo kan na anu ni nyina wo mu. Ni nyina wo sa 2008 manifesto no. Eno ano mo san de ba bi. Eti ye nuoma o mu ntimi nye. E ma me je na na opoku agiman. Her excellency me chia na no pay. E ma me nso se ne hu ni asem. Sabi wanye politician den pa enti so oba oye technocrat enti oba ka asem bia o ze nipa gini di pa e ba cho women's bank no adum de na start
say no me tell say budget o mo ye hu
enji ayo so ha de na hodwo ha de no mo nya mie o de America kosi ni say omo be kama ne ye say ye ma menom e pebosia omo di bibi ba ye friend women's bank ye be ma ye ma menom ne ma bosia na bank ye ko started the 50 million started bank of Ghana
minimum capital is around 400 million
where the 50 million the cost started bank of Ghana
capital 400
that should tell you say yatro bank bi antimi ma ba bia ebe ma obi bosia 12 months into NDC's administration ye nya nipa ba ko a yama no bosia ni bi but the American akosi ni say ya ma menom ne ye nua ma no mu a ejina NDC atrosam so ene adefe sam so ekoto aba no we are sure say enne na nka ye ekoto aba na wo mahu nukure wo mu yi no decision wo mu take wo mbeteki bio ade ba ko nso kan ya chikura galamse oda sori a ye ensu obu wa se ye bo me nka se pampam me Obekaya.
So the nine most mina.
Nine most current mintake. O say but the car ya chikura ye Roma so for na tegu montene so. Edana me hu ya nam say de be ye nya ye. Asofo no nton say bio. Enye MPP abreso no mu
politics bi na no mo.
Debi omo ma start omo ni omo free Rollins days. E ka set ya galamse. Enne ya me no ka say kura no say President Mahama should declare state of emergency.
Mara mo emma na mo hu ye fende bia mo phone edum na mo di haye na mbe ma ye to phone fufu ye di mo da ma na mo ti.
I told you so. Just for me and my phone because my phone and me use charger chair.
Oyo tam look o me yanko.
My two candidates
Sister onya bon do wa in there ye papa Mahmoud. And a permit program be. In Kofu Jinimpa Bon when people papa doing 8 years of Nanado. In Mama delegating the brave home, why you want you 1 2 and money 1 4 Mahmoud. In Kofu de Bono, a special one now what the media on with the MPP bon. One more jet header, one from common media, and one edge scan. In 10 people, young one, ye yanka sanka. But delegate in an pay Muslim for I told you so, Mijina ha. Da make Haleni Kotojogu form instead and say Yapamucho, a humblasimala. Me teacher be no canasam, also a humlasibili. Yapamucho. Obibialo di Dr. Nechi with the one who bully and a wedding. Who papa baby, who mammy baby or do basro, wamba. No, that was the Dr. Nechi and Ranum Yapamucho. Doctor, Okita fresh ideas, Okita rich ideas. Everything is fresh. Na enanum do ya medan in Kofulu Babo ko prison papa after 2028 election. No oya medede. In one wafro won ni trafon sisa won kan ho. Oya medede ahimfofo sisa won kan ho. Because yes obi ni pomu na ye nyine kokota. Osofu biale nyu ole baba pacho. Ohin biale nyu ole baba pacho. In Kofu bia yefun osi oso say ni trafon so obi anyu ole baba pacho. Because get tell konkofu bi won kotokum. O nyi do ko. Sika wo the free education. Olu konkofu bi won kotokum. Enuanom oya homtew. Oya yaw papa. Gana lusu. Gana li zayo ho. Ebe, your mama. Nka wula chance nka ye bibi. Na ede lu kwa bobo wo Jesus na mba no guachi wo no ibom ten an wo bonsem mo. Nka ye show papa bi ni ye bonsem mo. Afi na za yo huji kunye. Anye bi aga na wango chen woza. John, zali ye. Liji dimbon eti mo wala wo ba no. Na tuuba no fo. Sike bia lo all sign bia la sike bi only di bia la. Because ya ba 2028 se kaban santa ya bobia nyiwa no hobotan. We are going to investigate even pen ni se so mpo asempo e be investigate. Nti mu hwemu ye. Delegate Samu pedo omani jine ye, ni ye nyaye jine ye, ne yamba kodu wo ko school. Enano me pamucho. Doctor Odebasa. Isa fomuwa. Eba start efenum akwanan o we basa wo. E start suwa if you call akwebie o we basa wo. Ina nyame in charge. Me started me but TikToki me de radasi. Mary ni Kennedy. Nanko for way of Fanta forces are made to 36. Was I told you so? It can some now see young gogo, Yago Granaya and Qual. Was about 2 amba. Yadama, doctor. Into Mancasa
for platform so can say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and you're no very in 2028. Now, Ude no men campo because I know it's not gonna work. Enti yes remo. Yen fisa breya ni enye jumadin na yen fa Dr. Mra as a flag bearer. Not where ditch na de Ghana community too serious. Ye din ya ye nyina just say yes ye bag ni adwane fi Ghana because bole bamboy mafia. Onyankopon de hammer born na pampem no. Oka kire yen yo. Oka kire yen se musuo bom na moto aba mame a. Mobati ani se maton Ghana. Ampanso Ghana sisi ya latafo dia. Enti yesremo. Obi anto abama doctor. Na doctor mrani yenje ye Ghana ensi ho. Manu esimi dansi nyame nhire obia.
Yes, we are that sick. So I'm a candidate. Bono East.
Ama.
Yes.
Me de me candidate am market no say open say o MP sorry o president me ko UN na o tema lafaka. Oh my god. So open so candidate but on a more serious note history back Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia to be the next president of this country. Because about the fourth republic. No, let me start with the MPP. First and foremost, MPP modi ye repeating candidate and it me to me. So repeating Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia a plus for the party. 2, on the side of the nation, no, say o check the fourth republic. Consistently, every time a president be ending administration be no, or the 2 million Emma Obia on an contested. So we check in the year 2000. Jerry John Rawlings ending the tenor or the ma. Ye Papa John Ajekum Kufuor no contest in 1996. in 2008, o check papa John Ajekum Kufuor so yende ne 10 or the ma Mills I want no contest in 2004. Mills and a Fofi Antoata and a Mills enya ne baby ko. We in the MPP believe even 2012 election we need, but for history to be manifested, a comma John Dramani Mahama, Emma not waso. But in 2016, John Dramani Mahama ne nanado a contest no. John Dramani Mahama had 2 million Emma nanado danko akufuado. 2016, 2020, and then 2024. Now 2024, nanado ending a 10-1 or sad 2 million Emma obia on a contested in John Dramani Mahama. So history will back Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia to take the mandate from John Dramani Mahama. It's a statement of fact. In terms of vision, the Obi and the changes say there is no candidate to come, both in the MPP and the NDC, are more visionary than Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Candidate be anyhow. There is no candidate I am marketing in the MPP and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. There is no candidate appealing to Ghanaians than Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. And to say, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, they will be for bar. A Jumara ne chance from zero. It is a ukosi fear will be at Asi Foundation, Watu Foundation, I lay blocks no crack or so relenting. No one see Uncle Jurini in Uncle Sanko chance and free. As I said, background there, it means a Juman and Oberman I had at the Ama MPP for. So you best delegates, maybe a delegate, maybe. Master delegates now, Mokaya Hone say. I'm wanting a message, Ubia deba. In nothing of you print papers, be so true with you. We are seeing now, Bibia a digita. And say, Yempe Quembi so we MPP no one who school crana wa brew party no ma obenya bibia free party no mo. Let's have a database for the delegates for every party member. Obi on ebi akwa elections elections be olusu. Now so we check adwuma wo ye ma party na eso ani Sankrofo yentimi nkase because onye delegate on benya free party no mo. Let's give all these people the opportunity to benefit from the party they are serving. Until Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia yenya a database for these people. That is a visionary person. In terms of party, in terms of the nation, or be beer at heart. Give Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia the opportunity. And your back and give Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia opportunity as number 3 to come and lead this country to victory, to come and rescue this country from the hands of a very wicked and tyrant leader like John Dramani Mahama. On fashe for France and Bambekao. Ni oye, a chance no cry no brese o. Na wie ya enemy said na wie ye enya de ya ne beche ho. A chance no cry nyefe. Na koduru mfini akona wie ye. Give Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia the opportunity to come and implement the visions our Edema Ghana for. And we believe say that will be the only service I be timaye amatimamofo timamofo ani be gini aye ho. The MPP, the Ghanaians are always telling us, say, all they need from MPP members is one: organize yourself and then give us a candidate. We shall give you the mandate to serve this country. And the candidate they are all waiting for is Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. The man is here.
That's say Bono East. Okay, so Senior Marcus and Dijoy, I would want to complete with the two of you. In Miss Remo, Mema,